Well, got a horse out in the road. I know the owner. There's the summer. It should be in that field over there. Hello. Just can't get back in. Anyway, I'll have to contact the owner later on. See what that's all about. Oh, a car coming out and hitting it. I think must be a little bit scared, maybe. No, it's eating away. It's not that concerned, is it? Beautiful. I'd approach it. I'm not afraid of it, but it's afraid of me, you see, when I walk towards it. So I'll leave. Meanwhile, this is the farm this morning. 8:52. Feeding all the animals. Watering the flowers, plants, lettuces and stuff like that. Loads of stuff. Cool. But they're going to have to figure out how to get through that hole over there. I made a hole for them. Look at him. He's in his bath. Cool.